says record. I hope it's recording. I took this apart and I thought it was recording. It may or may not have been. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm going to watch this closely now. But I've taken the engine apart from my friend and it's working. It's working beautifully. It's a little sticky on the pull-up. Can you believe that? Oh, well, this motor is so smooth, I just can't get over it. This motor is nice and smooth. The rollers are pretty good. It looks like he's got one wheel out of balance or out of whack a little bit. Almost out of round more than anything. The headlight is working. I don't know. I mean, I'm troubled by tearing into this. You know, we're gonna rip that out, rip that off, put on a deep, you know what I do or what it looks like. Right? You know, this is what we do. We make them crazy. Oh, this is a chassis. In fact, I was building this motor thinking he would need it. This is exact same chassis. Uh-oh. They got jealous. You know? When you go using lithium magnets or whatever these things are, you gotta be careful. These magnets are tough. They'll pull you right out of the water. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to think about this for a bit. I mean, I'd like to fix his engine, but it has the jewels front and back. He has everything on here is in good condition, working. The decals are a little worn, right? It's a simple 312, but he's got the railing. The railing looks like it's been shined, which you know, if you know anything, you know that's what I do. I polish the railings. These have some shine on them. There's no paint on the engine whatsoever. I don't do very well, I'm not good at. Got jewels on the nose. His bellows looks a little short. I know I bought him a new one at the time. Maybe I pushed it on too far. Possible. Could be a little short. I have a new one. Holy moly. When it came here, it had a broken wire on the on one of these contacts. So I took care of that broken wire, and then I set it up, and it worked. It really worked. So I'm wondering, I had a broken wire. Is that such a big deal? I don't know. Oh heck! It's a little warm, but it's not hot by any stretch. Nothing's hot. Okay. I guess I'm gonna cut this short because I thought I was gonna see, you know, dirt balls and tinsel and cat hair and broken wires and all this, but I'm not. I'm seeing a very nice engine that maybe just a little TLC is all it's going to need. And from get it running point of view, that's not too exciting. It's warm, but it's not hot. I can clean the brushes, clean the bearings, re-lube everything, put it back together. But goodness, it looks beautiful. Okay, I think that's I might put in an LED bulb just to save him some track power, but I don't know. That is a little bent. I could straighten that out. It's rubbing on that wheel, rubbing on this wheel. That's just a tad bent, not much, just a little bit in the middle. All right, well, that's a shame. I don't have any more to say. I think I'm going to defer to my summary note to my friend and see what he thinks, what he really thinks he wants me to do. So I'll get back to you on that.